Who could that be at this hour? In the pouring rain, no less. Jesus Christmas, baby! You poor thing. Here, come on. Let me pick you up and take you inside. We need to get you dry, okay? There we go. Oh no, you're shivering. Come on. Let's get you upstairs, okay? Hey, Alex. Look who I found. Uh-huh. Put them back. Yeah, put them back where? Out in the freezing rain? What? You're serious? Are you completely heartless? You want to let this poor, sweet little thing back out into the cold? How could you even think that? Yeah, I know the lease doesn't allow... Look, I'll get them registered tomorrow, okay? It's only against the rules for one night. They'll never know. And it sure as hell beats leaving them outside to freeze to death. Are you that big of an asshole? Seriously. Look into their eyes and say they aren't the cutest, sweetest little Neko kitten. Yeah, see? Even you aren't immune. Now I'm gonna get them changed into some dry clothes. Come on, sweetheart. Let's get you upstairs. What a beautiful baby you are. Yes, you are. Shh. No. Shh. You're okay. They're just being a little grumpy tonight for reasons. You're okay. You're okay. It'll be fine. Here we are. All right. Let me go find you some clothes. All right. We got some pajama pants, some tidy whities. Oh, and we got this cute little nightshirt. And look, it's got a cute little kitty face on it, too. It's just perfect. See, it even looks like you. Here you go now. The bathroom's down the hall. I'll go downstairs and get you something to eat in the meantime, all right, sweetheart? What's that? Oh, of course. I'm happy to help you, sweetie. I'm just happy I was there to answer the door when you needed me. I'm sure your family is worried sick about you. Wait. Why are you crying? No, don't cry. Please don't cry. Do you not have a family? Hey, no. Don't cry more. Come here. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. You're okay. I'm here for you, all right? It doesn't matter if you're an orphan. You are my precious little kitty. No matter what's going on, I'm going to be here for you. I won't let you be alone, and that's a promise. Now you really need to get out of those clothes and get some food in you. I'll be back in a few minutes, okay? Hey, Alex, just as a heads up, I'm taking some of your Korean beef. What? Yeah, they have to eat. The hell you want me to do? Feed them my food? Oh, great idea. Hey there, little buddy. I know you're hungry and an obligatory carnivore, but you know what? I got some tofu and oatmeal. Oh, maybe some celery too. Hopefully it doesn't screw up your stomach too badly. Like the lion in Futurama. Seriously, do you even think before you open your mouth? What are you supposed to eat? Fine. Here's a 20. Look, I'll buy you whatever steak you want tomorrow when I go grocery shopping, okay? Just let me feed them tonight. You know what? I don't give a frack. Deal with it. I'm feeding them meat. Yeah, how am I insane? You're the one who's treating this poor little Neko with such disdain you won't even give up some of your food for them. Hey there, I got you something to eat. And you've changed. Oh, you look absolutely adorable. Kitty cat matches your face perfectly. You, same ears and everything. Same little eyes. Ooh, I love it. Here, I've got some tasty meat for you too. Aw, hungry little kitty cat, aren't you? Don't worry about it. Don't know why they're so mean today. Normally they're pretty chill. Someone must have shoved a stick up their butt, huh? Oh, honey, you don't have to make anything up to them. They're grown. They can deal with it. Okay, if you insist. You can go down and talk to them. I'll check on you in a little bit. I'll just clean up a spot for you to sleep, okay? Hey, Alex, Oh, what are you two doing? Nothing. It looks to me like you're all snuggled up together. Look how cute you are. They look so happy curled up on your lap. Looks like you two've made up now, huh? So, what do you say to our cute little Neko friend? That's right. I'm sorry for being a jerk. Okay. Now let's get you upstairs to bed, okay? Here we go. You'd rather sleep with me? That's okay too. My bed's a little small though, as long as you're okay being snuggled up together. Don't squeeze me so hard, hon. No, it's okay. I just need to be able to breathe. Hey, so, do you want to talk about what happened earlier? Why you started crying, or why you were out in the rain? It's okay if you don't want to. I don't want to push you if you're not ready. It's completely fine to lay here with me, just cuddled into my chest. It's my pleasure, hon. Now, let's get some rest, all right?